Narendra Modi's first visit on becoming the Prime Minister was to the warship INS Vikramaditya. He spent a day at sea and gave a strong signal to the world and India. Defence preparedness is of paramount importance to him. He outlined his vision for Make in India for weapons and platforms when he was on board the Vikramaditya. Prime Minister Modi understands that India is essentially a maritime nation which is at the crossroads of the world's sea lanes of communication. With a coastline of 7,500 kilometers, India depends on the sea for 70% of its oil and 90% of its trade by volume. Although India's maritime strengths were ignored for almost a century, but today the Navy believes that it has entered a period of consolidation. It is exerting its influence in the South China Seas and Western Pacific as Prime Minister Modi forges alliances with the Japanese, Australian, Vietnamese and Myanmar navies. India's submarine building project 75 and 75 India have been lagging behind, and the first Scorpene submarine will be ready only by September 2016. India has a nuclear submarine Chakra on lease from Russia, and its indigenously built nuclear-powered ballistic submarine Arihant will go on trials very soon, as per the Navy chief. But the Navy has been plagued by accidents in the conventional submarines. 18 sailors were martyred in the explosion in the INS Sindhu Rakshak last year, and 2 sailors were martyred on board the Sindhu Ratna this year. The torpedo recovery vessel, or TRV-72, sank off the coast of Visakhapatnam, killing a sailor, and the 4 sailors missing are now feared dead. Only 13 conventional submarines which are past their life cycle are handling the patrolling workload, which has increased by 75%. The Defence Minister, earlier Arun Jaitley, and now Manohar Parrikar have cleared proposals worth more than 60,000 crore rupees pertaining to the Navy. 50,000 crore rupees alone for the 6 submarines to be built in India at the naval dockyards, realizing Prime Minister Modi's Make in India policy for greater indigenization in defence procurement. In New Delhi, this is Nandita Dagar for DD News.